Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off touch keyboard icon in taskbar. This is very easy and simple method. First, right click any empty area in taskbar and here you see taskbar settings option is available. Click on it, then scroll down and here you see turn system icon on or off. Click on it, then scroll down and here you see touch keyboard. Here you see touch keyboard option is available. Off it. There is no touch keyboard option. This way guys we can know how to turn off touch keyboard icon in taskbar. This is very easy and simple method. One or two step we know how to turn off touch keyboard icon in taskbar. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not.